Dear parents, staff, and children, I welcome you all to this event. This academic year, Max Club online inauguration is going to be conducted now through this media. During this occasion, I memorized that our students had won many prizes in Max items in last year's Bharatiya Vidya Niketan District Shastramela conducted at AVS Tagore Vidyapeetham, Talsheri. Best wishes for the forthcoming school Shastramela 2, which will be conducted at the end of this month. Now, I welcome Sri Govinathan Pilla, who worked as headmaster in Pakam Government High School, Kasaragod, and also in Idakoli Government High School, Kottayam, and retired from service as Assistant Educational Officer from Pala to inaugurate our school Max Club.
Namaste and good evening to all. Respected Chief Guest, Sri Govindandan Sir, Mathematics teacher and also an Assistant Educational Officer, Principal, teachers, parents and my dear students. It is a great honor for me to welcome all of you. We are especially thankful to Sri Govindandan Sir, who had spent his precious time for us and graced this occasion. Mathematics Club improve and bring out the hidden talents of the students to promote enthusiasm and interest in mathematics among the students and also to provide a platform for discussing new methods of learning and teaching mathematics. I express my deep gratitude to teachers for inviting me. Thank you all.
Teachers and students, let me introduce myself to you. I was working as a maths teacher at GHSS Ugandavura for 26 years from 1969 to 1995. In the age of 20s, I had begun my career as a teacher. I think I have done justice to my work, satisfying my conscience. Nowadays, one of the biggest issues is that our students view maths as a tough subject. This may be because of several reasons. One of these is that maths demands memorizing a bunch of formulae and applications of them. This may be because they are taught like that. The method of teaching makes a lot. Another reason is lack of interest in the subject. There are several ways to teach maths. One way is that the teacher simply states the formulae, for example, of squares, rectangles, right triangles, etc. Pupils are wanted to memorize the same. Knowledge is the only thing they get from it. If you ask any student, what is a right triangle? He will suddenly say, a right triangle having one angle is 90 degrees. You ask them to draw this on the board. Very few students will draw a right triangle correctly. They have knowledge but no understanding or the concept of it. Let the teacher shows you visually the area of a triangle is equal to the width times its height. Teacher draws a rectangle having 5 centimeters length and 3 centimeters width. Then divide this to 1 centimeter squares. You will get 15 squares. Total area of the squares is 15 square centimeters. This can be found out by multiplying the length and width. Through apt questions, teacher should deduct the answer from the students. When a rectangle is divided into two by joining the opposite corners, you will get two right triangles and go like that. The theorem is taught. Try to make the students answer each questions you ask. Questions should be formed accordingly so that the answer should lead to its proof. Easy and difficult are relative terms. What matters is the interest with which one pursues the subject. That interest has died today. If we think all formulae can be found out simple and visual explanations, but they are not given in the classes. However, there is much in teaching maths. The teacher is the key to the students to open the treasures in maths. Regarding students, I may say that you should not fear maths. Every day we see plenty of objects connected to maths, even in nature itself. Have you gone through certain puzzles in your comics? You might have solved them also. Maths is also a puzzle which can be solved and studied only if the initiative is taken. According to your request, I am inaugurating your maths club. Let me pray to the Almighty that you should be best at maths in future. Let me express my gratitude to your teacher, Srimati Chandralekha, for remembering me and giving me a chance to inaugurate your maths club. Thanking you all. Best wishes.
Good evening, all of you. Respected chief guests, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. I would like to say few words about maths. It is an interesting subject. Maths give me a lot of satisfaction and boost my energy and thinking capacity while studying. When we talk about maths, we can say that it is the study of numbers, symbols, shapes, patterns, etc. It is a captivating subject and plays an important role in our daily lives. It is also a scoring subject and with proper practice. I conclude my speech. Maths help to generate creative thinking, problem solving ability and also effective communicative skills. Thank you. Now we will move on the display of geometrical chart, still model, working model, puzzle, etc.
Hi, I am Anishka. I am studying in 4th standard in Sri Umamaheshwara Vidyalaya. This is a multiplication wheel of 12. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48. 12 fives are 60. 12 sixes are 72. 12 sevens are 84. 12 eights are 96. 12 nines are 108. 12 tens are 120. 12 elevens are 132. 12 twelves are 144. Thank you.
Respected our chief guest, teachers, and my dear children. Today I am very glad at this moment because my beloved Govi sir is doing the inauguration of the Maths Club. It is possible only because of the serious problem that is Corona we are facing today. So somewhat I thank Corona for making it possible for me. Thank you, sir, for your valuable information that you shared with our children. I thank you for sparing your valuable time on this occasion. So, with this, I am winding up my words. Once more, thank you, sir, for the information that you shared with us. Thank you.
നമസ്തേ ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ ശ്രീ ഉമാമഹേശ്വര എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ സെക്രട്ടറി ശ്രീ നാരായൺ സർ, നമ്മുടെ വിശിഷ്ട അതിഥി ശ്രീ ഗോപി സർ, സഹപ്രവർത്തകരെ, കുട്ടികളെ, നമ്മുടെ സ്കൂളിൻ്റെ മാത്സ് ക്ലബിൻ്റെ ഉദ്ഘാടനമാണിപ്പോൾ നിർവഹിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞത്. ടഫ് സബ്ജക്റ്റ് എന്ന് വിശേഷിപ്പിക്കുന്ന മാത്സിനെ എങ്ങനെ ലളിതമായി സമീപിക്കാം എന്ന് ചുരുങ്ങിയ വാക്കിലൂടെ നമുക്ക് വ്യക്തമാക്കി തരികയും ഉദ്ഘാടന കർമ്മം നിർവഹിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് നമ്മുടെ സ്കൂളിൻ്റെ ഭാഗമായി തീർന്ന ശ്രീ ഗോപി സാറിനെ സ്കൂളിൻ്റെ പേരിലും ക്ഷേമസമിതിയുടെയും മാതൃസമിതിയുടെയും പേരിലുള്ള നന്ദി അറിയിക്കുന്നു. ഇതിൽ പങ്കുചേർന്ന എല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി നന്ദി അറിയിക്കുന്നു.